Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a new project in Visual Studio Code. So the first step you need to do is to open Visual Studio Code and let me create a folder. So you simply need to create a folder with the name of project. Okay, paste it here, open that software, click on new, and here you can see new text file, new window. So I'm going to create new text file for example, and here you can see that it is created, and now you want to save, so you simply need to click on that and select the folder that you created and save. And now it is saved, and in the future you simply need to click here, open file, go on to the folder of the project and open from here like this. So this is the process that you need to follow to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.